You're very disgusting. Have some disgusting manner about you, and I always think about the way how you is when we think about Joseph, Reef, Mayela. Them no really stay, them really. You understand me? You are my worst child. And that no means me love you same way. I am not your biological mother. Welcome to Mama Joan house, where it's hot, and when I said hot, I mean it hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, I'm gonna do a little Q&R video with D'Angelo. You know, I call him and tell him to come over. Me and him are gonna sit down and have a little chat. You know, as you guys know, D'Angelo just started his YouTube channel and he's doing okay, and him keep up him foolishness family. So it's like we're gonna have a little talk, but little did he know I'm gonna prank his ass and tell him that he was adopted. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. I want you guys to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit your post notification belly thing off your Instagram. So anyway, guys, call D'Angelo and he's on his way. Him soon come. I take out him sorrel because him love sorrel. I get some sorrel for him, and you know how him like to make you comfortable and feel like everything is okay, and then him keep up him for preferred pan you. So you know what? I'm doing the same thing and make him know say, you know, me have him sorrel ready for him. I go sit down and we gonna have this little Q&R talks, you know, like make you guys know more about Daddy Dilo. You understand me? But I'm gonna prank his ass. I know him soon reach, so as soon as him reach, we're gonna get with it. So I'm not him thinks everything is good. Cause when once him come and come see Cyril, oh my god, him gonna just feel so nice.
5 minutes later.
Oh, here D'Angelo, then now I'm gonna go get the door, okay?
If you see these dogs in your front yard, just know upstairs I'm going hard.
Ring the doorbell?
Yeah.
Okay, so you open the door, I want to be greeted.
Oh!
Be greeted.
We leave it open for you because I know you were coming.
But I want to be greeted.
You know what? Listen, don't start. I know you was coming, so I leave it open for you.
Greet bad man when bad man come to me. Oi! What's that? You have it? Okay. Okay. Let me take off my jacket, young lady. Let me take off my jacket, young lady. Well, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel, Mama John. Let me get some sorrel first.
I want you know $20 for the buckle.
What?
You not even shake it up. You need to shake it up first.
Shake up the what?
You have to shake up the sorrel
I
because
just want to go shake first.
It now go taste good because everything's settled at the bottom. So you need to shake it. You know $20 for this.
Lady, I didn't tell you to get nothing, so I don't know.
So when you go home, you bring it with you and you go home, and you know you give me $20 sweet.
So it's
Me not even gonna drink none.
Oh!
Not even. Me just take it out there.
you don't want none?
Okay, give me a little bit.
You want a little bit?
I know you have to go pay for it,
You
but
want,
it's okay.
You want a little bit?
Just a little.
Let me get a little bit. Want a little?
Not a, just give me. Not that. You say give me a little bit. Then give me some.
You want a little more?
Give me a half a glass. There,
Half a glass you want?
Yeah.
Let me give you that.
I don't know why you have to be like that. That is not a half a glass.
I'm paying for it. I have to pay for it. You're not going to give
Not
me that.
because you pay
I
for
have to
it.
pay for it. Ooh. Pick up a glass there. Look, you know what?
This is all you really are going to give me? That's okay. Can you pay me the $20 fee?
Okay, let me get a little bit more. Let me get a little bit more. Hear that? Listen to that pop, guys. Let me get a little bit more. Look.
Okay, that's enough. I know you love play, so.
I'm probably the most interesting child that you have. I'm probably the best. Best good looking.
Why you think that?
So I'm the best.
Why you think you're the most interesting one, and why you think you are the best?
Because I am.
Well, actually, you are
born,
not.
I was born that way.
Well, me couldn't be, no know if you were born that way, you know.
Yeah.
So you can say whatever.
It sounds good though.
Mm-hmm. We always make the best cereal.
And I want to done this bottle here so that I don't take it nowhere with me. You know when you go to the store, if you eat the food inside the store without leaving, it's not called stealing. If you eat the food inside the store without leaving, you hear that rhyme? It's not called stealing. So I'm not leaving with this bottle, so I ain't paying for it. I'm gonna done it here now.
But you leave with the bottle, you know. But this is very important though. Very, very important. So anyway, I'm gonna turn off the camera and then me and you go have some discussion before we get into the video. Okay?
About what?
You have to wait till me turn off the camera.
Alright, my lady.
You really look like you got done the cereal before you left, yeah?
Look, lady. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, homie. If I drink this bottle here, that means you brought it upstairs. So if I drink the bottle here, you got the bottle, not me. That's had nothing to do with me. If the bottle finished, then the bottle finished. If I leave with the bottle, I understand I have to give you money for. I have to give you $20 for a bottle. But if the bottle is done here, you brought the bottle.
You know this, D'Angelo, you're so disgusting. You are so disgusting and tan bad.
5 minutes later.
Sorry.
Sure tastes good. Okay, so what are we doing? Am I asking you questions too, or you're just asking me?
No, well, me I ask you questions and you answer it.
Okay.
You know. So, anyway, them are some surprise questions. These are some surprise questions you go ask and you go answer. And you know how sometimes you behave certain way. There's times when you behave certain way, you know, like
Like a bad man.
no,
Stuff for life, take your wife and everything.
You behave disgusting. You have some disgusting manner about you. You understand me? I mean, I always think about the way how you is. You understand? And then when me think about Joseph, Reef, Mayela, them no really stay them way there. I mean, I always wonder why you stay the way how you stay.
Oh!
You are the best.
Yeah.
I don't think so, you know. Why you think you are the best?
You just said it.
No, you just have some disgusting quality about you. And I check out your brother and your sister and them don't stay like that. So I'm just thinking like where you get them disgusting quality this from? Me always say you are my worst child. You understand me? And even that me think about more time. Why me continue always I say you are my worst child?
Just cause I give you guys the most talking.
That is the thing, you know, and me really think me need to make you know why you stay the way you are.
I'm not following you at all.
You're not following me?
Not following
Well, D'Angelo, this is the thing. You know I love you
you. Yep.
very much.
I love you too. That's why I behave the way I behave, because I love you.
No, but the fact that you're tan bad with you have some good qualities. I'm not gonna say you're tan bad. You have some good qualities and you have some bad qualities.
Oh, everybody does.
I know, but you're one of them disgusting.
Oh my god.
Okay? Your brother and your sister, them have bad qualities and all of that too, but for them one not disgusting.
Oh!
Your one them is very fucked up qualities. Okay? And take me a while, but me have to make you know this, because right now, the way your life go, you do your YouTube things and you have things going for you and all of them things they're going for you. Yeah, you have these things going for you and this what me need for you.
I'm booming.
Yes, you know, like whichever way, but this what me need to tell you, me have to tell it to you because of your lifestyle out there, and it better it come from me more than it come from somebody else. Because there's other family member we know. You understand me? But you don't know these things. You understand? Your brother and your sister them don't know either. So you have to tell them another time. But me I make you know from now. Because you need to know these things. That it's about you and it's your life.
Okay, can you tell me already? Like, what is it? Let me sit down here. How long you telling me so
Well,
much?
me kinda, because it takes so long to tell you.
So they don't tell me.
But think you need to know because I don't want you to find out outside. You understand me? And that don't mean me love you same way. You understand me? But I have to make you know that I am not your biological mother. You were adopted.
Oh, hell no!
So this is why you're so different from your rest your brother, your two brother and your sister. Because honestly, D'Angelo, I adopted you. Somebody did not give birth to you. That 10 months and 1 week never happened. That's how long it take me to finalize the adoption. I am sorry, but me think you need to know, and I bet you know from me more than you know from somebody.
That's why
out there.
everybody keeps saying there's no way somebody could be 10 months and 1 week.
That's the time it takes to look about the papers them. And me just decide, so you know what? You need to know. You need to know what's happening. So I just decide to tell you. And as we said, that don't mean me don't love you. I love you just the same way. You know? Hello? I don't treat you no different.
So you tell me that I'm adopted?
Yes.
But
yeah.
Mom, look how old I am now. You don't need to tell me that.
Well,
you didn't need to.
Well, if you never start to do, why you can't put me on you?
For what? You did not need to tell me that I'm adopted. Who cares if I'm adopted?
Well, if you never start to do YouTube, I know you're gonna find out. So, okay, you start to do YouTube, I know it's gonna come out. So somewhere it's gonna come out. So make sure, make you know from
How
now.
would it come? Oh,
you never know.
Mom,
people is very vindictive.
If somebody came to me and told me that I'm adopted, I wouldn't even believe them. So what? Only person that would be able to tell me that I'm adopted for me to believe it would be you.
Well, me I tell you, I make sure I tell you now before somebody else tell you that. I don't want nobody to tell you. I want to make sure I tell you that you were, adopted. It take me 10 months and 1 week to finalize the papers.
So who are my real parents then?
I do not know your parents. I don't know your parents. That was sealed from me. I never know you and I never tried to find out who your parents was. If I wanted to know, I would have known. But then, if I've known, then I would have tried to maybe get you contacted with the people them later on. But it's true, I never intend to have you contacted with nobody. I just didn't want to know. I just leave it at that. Me and your dad, just leave it at that. And me tell him, say, well, then it's at, and me say to your dad, say, it's time for me to tell D'Angelo what's happening. And he might say, like, when I'm having YouTube thing, no, I better we do this before we find out. Otherwise, if I'm never in a YouTube, then he won't have to worry about it. So, I just come to that conclusion. So you need to know.
So I don't understand. So was I born here? Was I born somewhere else? Am I Jamaican?
No, you were born here. You were born here in Canada.
Bing bang.
This is an awful time to tell somebody this.
What's so
This
awful?
is an awful time to tell somebody this because it makes, even if somebody said that to me,
it's not awful.
so that I'm not even gonna even call you mom no more. I'm not even gonna call you mom no more.
Well,
I'm gonna call you your name.
But that can't change. Like it kind of hard for you to just switch.
I'm gonna switch. You just said I'm not like. So and they're not even my siblings.
You're adopted, so who is related? You're not related by blood, but you're not related by paper.
Oh!
You're related by the stroke of the ink. It's just as good as blood. Nothing wrong with that. It's ink and blood. It's instead of one of blood, one is ink, but it's the same thing. Nothing wrong with that.
Mom, I'm grown now.
So what difference does that make?
You didn't have to tell me this. I don't care. I don't care.
Well, me think you need to know.
No, I did not. Well, let me tell you something right now. I
Yeah.
did not need to know, and I don't care. I don't care if I'm adopted.
Okay.
I'm at that point in my life that adopted doesn't even matter. So I don't know why you coming in and telling me this. Now, first off,
Yeah.
you ruined my whole entire life now before.
Oh,
my
yeah,
whole
oh.
life now, my whole life before is an absolute sham. That's for sure. Absolute sham. My whole life is before. Is absolute sham.
Your whole life would be sham. You have a good life growing up.
Who? I don't even know if the.
You have a good life. Me and your dad give you a good
What was
life.
my name? What was my name when I was born? Then did you guys change my name?
No, we just named you this same name. You didn't have no name. You didn't have no name where we have to change name. You were born and it take us 10 months and 1 week to get all the things finalized. And we get you when you was like two weeks old. There was nothing different. You didn't have no name. You was just baby boy.
He needs some milk.
No, it's not a joke. It's serious shit. Why you think it's a joke? I don't play around like you. I just think it's time for you to know the truth, and I'm telling you the goddamn truth.
This is stupid.
What's so stupid about you knowing the truth?
It doesn't matter. This is dumb. This is dumb. This is stupid. And this is what you wanted. And this is what you wanted to talk about to the people that you wanted to tell them that I'm adopted.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Okay, well.
Because as I said, I am putting it out there before anybody else tell you.
Well, that wouldn't have. First off.
Yeah.
I am hella happy that you wanted to talk about this before the goddamn camera's on. Because first off, I ain't doing this video. That's first off. I ain't doing this video first off. Second off,
Yeah.
we ain't telling nobody that my dumbass is adopted.
Why?
Holy shit. Lady, are you joking right now? I'm not playing with you. We ain't telling nobody that I'm adopted. You told me I'm adopted. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Now, we're gonna forget that we had this conversation. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna forget that we had this conversation. We ain't telling Reef, Joe, Ayla. We ain't telling nobody. Thank you very much. We had this conversation. I appreciate it so much. Now I know. Good stuff for you. Now we're gonna have to find out what the hell are we gonna do for this goddamn video, because I ain't doing this and no one knows that I'm adopted, because I'm not adopted and I don't give a shit. So, thank you very much, and I ain't fucking paying you for that shit.
Got him. Got him.
Why you laughing, lady? I ain't fucking with you. This lady is sick. This lady is sick. This lady is sick. This lady is sick, bro.
That's just a prank. It's just a prank.
That's good.
D'Angelo.
Wonderful.
Oh my God, D'Angelo.
You're sick as hell.
D'Angelo, you see it though? As me tell you carry me over your house.
Yeah.
Come tell me about so when you have gift for give me here, put me in a blood clot home. You put me in a nursing home. So I call you over here now and tell you my blood clot one bitch, you better live with it and work with it. As me tell you. Two can play the same game. How did you feel?
Yeah, but that was a joke. I'm putting you into a nursing
Yeah,
home.
that
Telling
wasn't
you that
a joke.
I'm adopted.
Yeah, yes, bitch. You have to come hard. Yeah. Guys, you see this one?
What guys?
Turn me on about the camera, guys. You see this one?
The camera's not on.
My camera is on. Him tell me I'm gonna put me in a nursing home. And I say, okay, fine. I put me in a, I call his ass over here and I run something back up underneath him. Bitch, you was adopted. Yeah. We tell you two can play the same game.
So hold on. So I'm not adopted.
No, you're not adopted, bitch.
Fucking
You just
hell.
tell you that. You just tell you that.
God
You
damn!
I take it, yeah. Yeah.
It's okay. I'm gonna take off my belt.
You take off your belt? And what you gonna do with your belt when you take it off? Take it off because I bust your ass with it. I have paid me $20 for my back last Cyril.
Oh, for sure I ain't paying you jack.
Guys.
Shit. I pay. Don't put on.
I pay me $20 for my backlash, sorry, let me drink some of it.
Oh shit.
Guys, anyway, guys, I come to me end and make something. The video, like, subscribe, hit that post notification bell thing of yours as me saying at the first part of the intro, and give me 10,000 likes on this video, yeah. This adapted bitch, yeah. We are out.